Hi, English grammar lovers. Welcome back to QUIZZOT. This is English Grammar Quiz 10. Can you score 25/25? Let's see how many do you get correct. What tense is used in "she sings daily"? Think fast. Comment if you got it right. The correct option is A, present. Eagle flew by. Which article fits? A, an, the, or none? Like if you nailed it. The correct answer is B. Which shows permission? Which modal verb gives permission? Time's ticking. Tag a friend who got it wrong. It's C, can. He is angry what? To, on, with, or for? Follow for more brain boosters. The answer is D, with. Spot the main verb in this sentence. Hit like if you guessed right. Correct option, D, arrive. How did he run? Fast, faster, running, or runs? The correct answer is A, fast. Share this challenge. Which is a zero conditional? Which one is a zero conditional? Drop a light bulb if you got it. It's B if you study, you pass. Find the gerund in this sentence. Swimming is fun. Keep learning, keep growing. Answer, A. Superlative of tall. Which is the superlative form of tall? It's C, tallest. Comment, tallest, if you got it. What punctuation marks excitement? Don't forget to subscribe. It's A, exclamation mark. None of them happy. Is it R, is, B, or was? The right one is B, is. Did you catch that?